Welcome to Fantaskool, a powerful school management software. Let's get started. As a teacher, your first step is to access your account. Open the web browser of your choice and go to www.fantaskool.com if it's your first time logging in. Alternatively, you can use the progressive web app after your initial login for quicker access. You'll land on the home page. To log into your account, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. To record student marks, click on the Record Marks button or the Result option located in the sidebar navigation. Then click on Add Result. Select the academic year, class, term, section, and subject. Finally, click Save and Record Marks to access the class list and begin entering student marks.